got 29 oak log on me, but what does this go into?
That's from
Constance
no,
or Ellen?
Ellen.
Where the fuck is she?
Probably up in her house because it's nighttime.
Oh yeah.
I'm not good at math. Minus 28. Yeah, I've got all the spruce stuff to give to her.
All right. So any extra materials, I think they put in their racks.
I think so too.
There's quite a bit of dark oak logs in here, and I'm guessing we're left over from the original upgrade.
Yeah, but if she needed them for something she was building, I think she counts what's in there.
Yeah. Okay. So
I'll get the 3 stone in the racks.
have you done the cobblestone stuff?
I have not.
All right. I need
Do we have
14
any?
slabs.
1.
Yeah, we might have some slabs and shit already.
Oh, I'm checking the wrong. Stone is over. Supposed to be
Oh
over here.
yeah. No, I didn't need that many slabs, but fuck it.
And then I'll give her the torches. Let me check the wood chest. There's not any oak in there, so I'll have to go harvest.
Things.
There. Give her 16 for now. We got a bunch of big oak trees up here, man. They're all like huge. I
I
mean, now I
bet.
see some small ones, but there are some big ones.
Hey, how cluttered my fucking inventory is.
I feel that, but I never take the time to clean it out. So I guess it's my fault.
Torch two.
Where'd I get dark oak sapling? I don't even have dark oak wood.
What do you need? Oak logs. Ellen needs oak logs.
That's all Ellen needs for the last
Yeah.
one. I have
Or not everything, but that's what she needs to
I
start
have
building
the
more.
logs she needs.
Okay. And then 26 planks, 48 slabs, 2 stairs, and a red bed.
If you get the bed, I can get all the wood stuff.
All right. Red bed.
$44 oak slabs and 2 stairs. Consider it done.
She needs 44 oak slabs to continue
Already
working.
got it.
Hell yeah. And she just, the slabs and the stairs. Last 2 things she needed.
She should have all of it. Too fast. Too easy. She can't even keep up on the builds.
I'm gonna go check out Constance is doing.
Alright. How do I get so much food? I have so much cooked meat on me that I don't...
Dude, like, me too. It feels like I either barely eat my food or I'm just gaining food.
There's no way I didn't gain food. I had 30 something and now I'm at 64 and 10, so if you want any...
I'm at 51, so I'm still good.
Neither of us need food. Food's going, but I don't understand. How is this your job and why are they okay with this?
He's got 6 zinc ore on him
Heck yeah.
and some coal.
Oh, this birch house does not open up where I thought it did, but we're gonna have to build something around it for this yard.
Yeah.
Like some sort of barrier. Why do I have 32 glass panes? Where am I getting this stuff from?
I don't know.
Did I make these? I'm definitely gonna have to check the recording. I'm almost
So this thing is definitely gonna need raised, though. I feel like you already said that, but
oh yeah, I was gonna build something around it.
like to go like it goes down,
Yeah.
and then the water disappear gone.
Yeah.
I would not be opposed to that.
That way they still have their nice yard.
Kind of like their own little moat. We make sponges. And make a wet sponge. Or a dry sponge with a wet sponge, but you can't make a sponge. I think we're just, the easiest thing is just gonna be to raise it, I think.
Yeah, probably.
Because, like, we'd have to get, like, rid of a water level everywhere. Like, that top level of water. So you know how Farmer was doing stuff at first?
Yes.
She ain't doing nothing, I don't think.
Of course not.
What do you call this?
But you know when they upgrade this house,
Yeah, that's why I say we just raise it.
we can't.
Can't? Does it not have?
Everything I just did just disappeared.
Well, no. Once she's still building in the area. That's probably why. She ain't done building.
I like this house though.
She's almost done though. It's a little cramped on the inside, but it is a small house.
It's got a loft. Drama constants. Don't run from me, don't run from me. One torch.
I've got that, but she's not gonna
It's in there.
fucking. Okay. Gonna fucking walk back the entire fucking time. Try to cancel that request. Now walk back.
Finish the house.
I can't with these fucking entities anymore.
I'm trying to refix everything I messed up. Oh wait, I can't. She has all the materials.
She'll be back in a little bit.
Is our town hall still being upgraded?
Yes, it's almost done. One more shingle and 12 torches.
Like, is that what she needs?
That's what she needs to place.
Oh, I see.
Damn.
Somebody can sleep in our town hall now?
Wonder if there's any new things we could do.
Is there?
I don't think so.
Okay,
No.
so basically we want to do either an emerald or a diamond purchase, it looks like.
Which does, let me see,
To
citizen
get new
recruitment.
citizens.
Oh, okay. We've got emeralds, don't we? Like 3 of them somewhere?
I have them, but we need that house to be done.
Yeah. See if we can see her running over there. Yeah, I see her going.
She finished? Oh, did you see those fireworks?
Yeah.
That's the first time I've actually noticed those.
Oh.
Okay, so now we can...
Now we could fucking recruit some dude or girl.
Citizen recruitment emerald package, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
New citizen has
James
arrived.
D.
James Hale.
Hale.
And he brings word that barbarian spies have found the growing village. You might want to build a guard tower. Well, do you want to be our guard?
He is now. That's what it
His
feels like.
stats are pretty decent. I mean, low strength, but 4 strength, 6 endurance, 6 charisma, 6 intelligence, and 5 dexterity.
And
Seems
then
pretty fucking good to me.
gonna go to bed. We can get this guard tower
Aight.
built.
New spawn point has been set.
Oh, it's not night yet.
Okay, I'm sleeping now.
Okay, I'm gonna go over there and make that his house.
And do we want to build a guard tower like right there, basically?
Yeah, like on the between the see like the farm directly to the across the
Yeah,
field
like
from that.
yeah, right, like here. Let me see if that's able to be raised now, though. Build options, reposition. Oh, okay.
James is officially living here now, though. Okay, so
All right.
someone's gonna come raise that.
Yeah,
It's
Ellen's
Ellen.
gonna do it.
Good. And
Yeah,
then
because we need our smart mind working on the guard
we
tower.
could either put it here where I'm standing or on this thing here.
Started building Citizen 1. Are we
That's
building another house?
no, that's Constance is doing the house. What is
I thought Ellen was doing the house. What's Ellen doing? Medieval Birch, that's the house.
so Citizen 1? Maybe they're
There's
both
Ellen. That'd be pretty cool.
Our farmer's got a lot picked up.
49.
I don't know how much it is, but just looking. She has 64 and 8.
Okay, so maybe she is doing something.
Here, you can have some of this food I've been picking up. Do you have any food, Ellen?
Hey, so you know all that shit that we got for that Constance built?
Yes.
Tear it down. We gotta give it to her.
That Constance built for
For the new guy. That's if we don't. That's if we want to raise it. Which I mean,
I'm fine with it being staying where it is.
yeah, we'll just cancel.
It's saying it's
Created every time.
Let me try. Cancel repair. Back out.
I'm gonna
Okay,
go.
we're good.
Okay. Did it drop back down?
No, but I'm gonna. It allows me to assign James back, so it's just gonna be floating. You know?
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Do you have the tower thing set up?
No. I gotta make a guard tower?
I don't like a hut. I don't think so.
Guard tower, yeah.
It's in the huts.
Yeah. Well, like a thing that you can craft.
Guard tower hut. Yeah, I see it.
Pretty easy. I just need to make a bow.
Yep, I have a bow on me, but it's probably too damaged for that.
Okay. Yeah, I'd assume it needs to be fully repaired.
We're gonna need to upgrade that birch house though.
Yeah.
Motherfucker in here. I'll get someone on that. At least that'll be better than having them raise it.
Yeah.
Forgetting to swim.
So 2 guard towers get made when you make one. So we got 2 huts for the guard tower.
I do not want to upgrade this after looking at all that it needs.
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe we'll make a different. I don't know why they keep destroying the walk tower way though. Are you looking at how it's gonna look before you place it?
Yeah. We need to clear some of this out a little. Flatten it a bit, just so I can make sure where it's going will look okay.
Are you putting it more that way?
I'm getting it like right here. Okay, cool, I got another shovel.
You're telling me you didn't hear them crows right there?
Nope.
Okay, how does this look?
Let's rotate it like this.
Okay, and it places it manually, so
Yeah, it's because I did it with the guard tower first, and then started editing with the stick.
we can make this however we want. There's all kinds of watchtowers if you want to look at them.
Okay. Acacia, birch. The one I was looking at was just gonna, I think was just the oak one. I was just gonna do that one. But we've got a crap load of
We could do the
dark oak.
birch also. Dark oak also sounds dope. Either one.
I'm gonna, yeah, let's do the dark oak.
What are you doing, Ellen?
Starting to work on this.
I wonder if she's
Let's
going to
set
have
the
like
L
a
in there.
resource scroll.
Mine's not. I have constant.
It is. All she needs is the. It says she's got a lot of everything except for
Yeah,
the planks and the slabs.
yeah. So there's a lot of dark oak in here already, and her shits. So planks.
There's so many animals that I do not see, but I definitely hear.
Okay, she's got everything now.
Okay, get to work. I want to see what this watchtower looks like, Ellen. Come on, let's go.
It should be pretty quick.
I see two more villagers.
Yeah, those are the beginning two.
Oh, they're just
They've
coming.
just, yeah, they just slowly are making a circle around us.
Okay, Ellen.
What type of magic is this?
Why is that what she needed to do?
I don't know.
I swear, if she
Because
didn't
none
have
of that
that.
was even in. None of that was even in the build zone.
Okay. Okay.
She's going to probably take out the bottom layer now. Or I guess after she finishes this layer. Yeah.
Ellen, I think every project you work on, you do the dumbest stuff possible.
Yeah.
Ellen, what are you doing?
She'll figure it out. Now she needs a shovel. You got a shovel to give her?
I do not. I'm a dig.
Alright, you do that, I'll get her another shovel.
Like, I don't want to blame her. Maybe it's the stuff we're choosing to build, but definitely I want to blame her.
Oh, yeah. 100% it's her.
Because I just don't understand how everything we build has to be 1 to 2 to 6 blocks forward, Alan. I don't get it.
Ellen, how did I make 2 shovels before you made it back to your fucking hut?
Probably going to bed now.
Yeah. Oh, she's still at the hut, but I'll go ahead and get the sleep job going.
Yeah. I feel like this is where it's gonna go. You tell me you don't gotta dig these 3, Ellen? You know what?
We'll let it slide for
Ellen.
not that one.
You're making a guard tower, Ellen. I'm confused.
Me too.
I'm gonna let Ellen do all the digging near the water.
Yeah. Oh, that's actually sandstone.
Oh, we don't need to mine that long. Okay, I'm gonna wall off that water now.
Yeah. my god. You're joking.
This isn't like a mine shaft, Ellen.
Why is she doing it like this, man?
I don't know. I have a feeling we're gonna have a sunken watchtower.
Yeah.